Let's talk about Safaricom LTE for business, or the package that you're selling for home. Hi, my name is David, and in this video, I want to give you a quick breakdown of my experience of using Safaricom LTE, the fixed internet, for at least now about a month and a half. And I have to tell you that for starters, I paid for the package that came with the Safaricom router, that is the one that has the brand of Safaricom. So I did not buy the router. I got it with the package before they started selling or massively selling now the routers, because there was an issue with the gadgets coming in. And at that time, they were only offering it at that particular, like that option. But they also had the option for you to purchase the router. The package that I initially got is the 3 Mbps package. And coming from using bundles, I was used to using the Giga bundle, the one that goes for I think $9.99 for 10 GB per week. And the reason why I had to move is because I used to end up spending at least 10,000 per month on internet. Now, Safaricom LTE is, or at the time, and still is, the best alternative for me. Now, I live in the countryside slightly, but we have no coverage of fiber. So where the fiber reaches, Safaricom says that you need to be in an enclosed or like an estate area, which I'm not in. So the alternative I had to do is either get Safaricom LTE or use the bundles that I'm used to. But using bundles is really draining, especially when you have to use a lot of internet. Now you have to download a lot of videos, you have to upload a lot of videos. That's a big hassle on your bundles and your internet. So instead of me rambling, let me just tell you, I decided to get a 3 Mbps, and unfortunately, I did not like it. The reason is the speed was not that good. So if you're deciding or interested in making a purchase of that particular connection and you're traveling up country in an area with a 4G, I'd recommend you get the 5 Mbps one. The 3 Mbps one costs about, I think, 4,000 bob per month. And it's a good one if you're not used to using too much internet. But for me, I like it when I can stream movies on Netflix and all that. But the connection at 3 Mbps was quite bad. So the 5 Mbps one, I upgraded to that early this month. And that connection is good. That is all I can say. It's good. I wish there was a higher version, and I think there is, but at a lower price. And the reason why I'm saying this is because we have Safaricom Home Fiber. I tend to think that the cabling and all that of the fiber cables cost a lot more than getting the router. So the maintenance, maybe for the fiber optic, is potentially higher due to maybe trees falling on it and all that kind of stuff. But maybe the other things, especially with the connection where the network or the internet that we get costs a lot. But if we look at the Safaricom Home Fiber, these guys enjoy using fiber connections, and sometimes I wish I lived in an area where Safaricom Home Fiber is available, because the couple of packages, for example, the package that I'm paying for at around 5,500 comes in at around 2,900. Now, I wish we had that, but potentially if they gave us 10 Mbps, that would be better at the same price. We'd still be paying and maybe enjoy better speeds. But as it is, we're getting better speeds at 5 Mbps and using less money than what I was using. So if you're looking for Safaricom's or maybe some good connection with 4G, you can either default to Safaricom LTE for business. And I'd like to say, other than maybe them giving us a better speed and at least at a better price, so that it can be competitive with the fiber optic, that is Safaricom Home Fiber, I have no complaints. And I've tested it even in an area where there is a poor connection, especially where you get 3 bars, because the router gives you about 5 bars, and the router was oscillating between 3 and 4 and 5 bars, and we could still stream in 4K on a 4K supported TV. So if you're looking for an internet connection, let's say Safaricom LTE will sort you out, especially if you want to work from home and you're in an area where there's no fiber optic connection. Then go for Safaricom. It's about 5 for the 5 Mbps package, and that's the package that I recommend. So basically that's it for this video, and it's just my honest review of that particular package. I hope that somebody might watch this video and potentially just work on the pricing and maybe the speed, because there is demand for internet. We've got enough fiber optic cables that landed in Kenya, and so much internet that goes underutilized in this country. So we need better speeds at better prices. Thanks for watching. My name is David. Kindly subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.